Next, we will continue with the properties of alcohol. We are doing it, so we will continue with the properties of alcohol only. So, in the properties of alcohol, we will see that when RCH2OH, primary alcohol, okay, when it undergoes reduction, So, reduction means we will say that we have already done it. Yes, of course. But here we will be using a very strong reducing agent, that is your HI. You know what is going to happen? You are going to get nothing but alkanes, RCH3. Alright, alcohol, what I said you? Alcohol, that is oxidizes to form aldehyde. Aldehyde oxidizes to form acid. Now come back. Acid reduces to form aldehyde. Aldehyde reduces to form alcohol. So alcohol will reduce to form what? Nothing but alkanes. So you will be getting nothing but alkanes. Similarly, if you take here, now when you are taking HI, what do you have to take it? You know it. You have to take red phosphorus and heat it. You have to do. Why? Because otherwise the reaction will become reversible. And of course you will be getting that is nothing but water, you will be getting it. Okay. Now next is, let us just change slightly, that is your reducing agent. Now instead of HI, I am taking here, that is TSCl. I have told you already what is TSCl, and LiLH4, that is lithium aluminium hydride. Alright, in the previous video you will see what is TSCl. I have told you it's a reducing agent, we are taking it. Then what I am going to get it? Same thing I am going to get. It is nothing but alkanes. Same. So in this way we can reduce alcohol completely, that is to alkanes. We can do it by using HI in presence of red phosphorus and heated, or you can take TSCl and LiLH4. That is the first step TSCl, and second step that is nothing but LiLH4. You will be doing it, so you will be getting that is alkanes. Achha. Now if you are oxidizing it, okay, primary alcohol, if you are oxidizing it. Now when you are oxidizing it, here also I will be taking, that is nothing but the first step I will take it is same thing, that is TSCl, and the second step is I will take it DMSO. Now DMSO you do not know, dimethyl sulfoxide. DMSO is dimethyl sulfoxide. Got it? What is dimethyl sulfoxide? See the structure. What is it? Dimethyl. Got it? Dimethyl sulfoxide. So sulfoxide means S double bond. This is your dimethyl sulfoxide. We can say that. Okay. So now what will I do? What will I get? So you understood what is dimethyl sulfoxide? Let me rub it this one. So what I am going to get it? When alcohol is oxidized, what I am going to get it? That is nothing but aldehyde. And if this is further oxidized, aldehyde, you know it is, you are going to get what? Carboxylic acid. You are going to get it. Now next is, if you take here instead of primary alcohol, if I take here secondary alcohol, let us see. I am taking here secondary alcohol. Okay. Let us say two different alkyl groups in there. This is CH3 and this is C2H5. Okay. Now in presence of same thing, that is TSCl, I will do it. I will be taking it, and here I will be taking it, that is DMSO. Of course I will take it here. Same thing is DMSO. Of course I will take it here. And instead of DMSO also you can take a dimethyl sulfoxide. I can also take basic medium, OH minus, in presence of that. We can do it. Now see, primary alcohol gets oxidized to aldehyde. What happens with secondary alcohol? What I said here? Secondary alcohol will oxidize to form, that is nothing but ketones. Secondary alcohol oxidizes to ketones. In this way you will be getting, that is ketones. We will be getting it. Okay. So this is the oxidation reduction reaction. You got it of alcohols, that is primary, secondary alcohol. You got it. The oxidation reduction reaction, so to say. Now there are some also miscellaneous reactions are also being there. Alright, write it down, or I will say you also some miscellaneous reactions is there. That is, if you are taking like here some epoxy ethane, if you are taking it, epoxy ethane is what? CH2, then it is O. This is your epoxy ethane, isn't it? Now if I take here epoxy ethane, when it reacts with alcohol in presence of H plus, let us say, then what will happen? You know what is going to happen here? That is, here the this particular bond is being cleavaged. Either this bond or this bond, any of the bond is being cleavaged. Alright? Any of the bond is being cleavaged here. Any of the bond. So when this bond is being cleavaged, what I am going to get it here? See here. O, CH2, CH2. Alright. Now, this O will go with what? Because O is having a single bond. Isn't it? O is having a single bond, isn't it? O is not stable. O is not stable. So hence, what is going to happen is that it is going to, that is, get reduced. In presence of H plus, I have done it, na? H plus means acid. From there you will get H plus ion. It is going to get added here. Alright, it is going to get added here. Or you can say otherwise, from alcohol, in other words, you can say from alcohol, this cleavage takes place. And H is being added here, as you wish. Alright, if you are doing this, then don't